is your host Syed Irfan Ajmal, and in today's episode, I will share how we use a particular backlinks project sheet template in order to track what backlinks are we earning for any particular project, right? So this is one of those template sheets, and I have added some information so I can explain what's going on here. And by the way, if you would like me to send over this sheet to you, do let me know, and I would be happy to do that. Now, before I tell you about this particular tab, so you see these are three tabs, right? Some people call them sheets, as in individual sheets, sheet number one, sheet number two, sheet number three, or some call it tabs, right? Anyways, what we do when we start a project is that in tab 3 or sheet 3, we will include all the backlinks that this site has earned already, so that we can avoid contacting websites that have already given us to follow backlinks. All right. And other than that, what we do is that we also include a points criteria to, so I will not go into details of that right now, but simply speaking, we basically grant more points to our team members if they have earned a backlink um, that is of higher domain authority, right? So as an example, if it's a backlink that has a domain rating of, let's say, 90, then the team member gets more points, and in this way they are more motivated to do follow up and send even better pitches when it's a higher domain authority website. So that's how we incentivize them, because when they are earning more points, then they also, on top of their basic salary, on top of that they also earn a commission. All right. Other than that, I think this is quite simple. We mentioned the date when we discovered a backlink, and obviously we are tracking only the backlinks that we have earned as an outreach agency for our clients or for one of our internal projects. The outreacher's name is mentioned here, the backlink is mentioned here, the anchor text is mentioned here. Then we also mentioned the DR. Then we also specify or classify the backlinks according to their link types. So I will explain what these three columns are, G, H, and I, in a upcoming video. But basically, it helps us to keep track of the best possible backlinks. And then, if there is any comments, like if we have any additional information on or any additional things to take care of with regards to a backlink, then we also mention that in the comment section. Like if we have to promote the backlink or something like that. Also, we have three teams working on every single project. So we every team has their own team lead, and one team is called Nirvana, one is called Wizards, one is called Fire Starters. So this is what we do in order to make sure that we are earning enough backlinks, and we are earning enough quality backlinks, as in do follow backlinks which are contextual, which are of good quality, and which are relevant, and so on, right? And we are keeping track of the total points that we have earned for any project. The team knows, all the three teams know how many points they have to earn, and then they mention there. Sometimes, if we have a no follow backlink, or if it's a mention only backlink, then we don't record it here. Instead, we move it here in the last section called links with issues, because in the coming sort of days and weeks, what we do is that we try to do a follow up and see what's going on there. What can we do to convince the website to convert it into a do follow backlink, and so on, right? So this is how we do it. Let me know if this makes sense to you. I think this is a bit complicated if you are just starting out with this, but thankfully our team is well trained on this system, and they are doing well. We have been earning backlinks from sites like Forbes and MSN and Yahoo and a lot of other high quality sites at scale for our clients. If you would like to use our services, or if you just want to appreciate what we are doing, leave a comment below this video, or contact me via our website. In fact, I should say websites, because we have a couple. I will include the link in the description. Thanks very much for listening. Take care. Bye.